Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress and Press with this golden outfit. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the golden outfit looks like, and I'm going to show you how we can make this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it black and combine it with this hair. And for this hair, you can choose only bangs. Okay, and then you're going to do this adjustment for the position, rotate and scale. Okay, and then you're going to combine it with this bang and then make it black. And for the adjustment, you can adjust it like this. Okay, and then you're going to put on this microphone and you're going to color it white. And this necklace, make it this gold color. Okay, this is for the color code for the necklace. And then combine it with this necklace from the Valentine update. You're going to make it black. And this boot, you're going to make it white and gold. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the masculine items. And then we're going to put on this jacket. Okay, and for the jacket, we're going to color it black, but we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to make it this black color. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to color it with this gold color. This is for the color code, and then again we're going to make it glitter. And for the third selection, I'm going to make it gold as well. And again, we're going to make it glitter. And for the last selection, we're going to make it the same gold color and then make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this top. And for this top, we're going to make it black. Okay, and then again, make it glitter. And then we're going to put on this skirt. And for the skirt, we're going to make it black and white. And then you're going to make it glitter for all the selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room. Go to the dressing room and then you're going to go to the kids item. Okay, put on this dress guys and then we can choose the chains only. Choose tops and choose the chains. And then you're going to make it black for the first selection. But for the second selection, you're going to make it this gold color for the second selection and also the third selection. Okay, and finally you will have this Zoey with the golden outfit from K-pop Demon Hunter. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!